Tired of doing boring math just to shift blocks evenly in AutoCAD? I'll show you a one-click Lisp that removes that margin for you. Here's a quick trick to move a row of blocks so a uniform gap disappears, without any manual calculations. Look at this layout. Several construction bricks are lined up, and there's a 5-unit margin along the whole row. Normally, you'd have to move each block by a different amount. For example, the second block by 1.25 units, the third by 2.50 units, and so on. And that math gets tedious fast. There's a much easier way. Load the Lisp file move_block.fas using the appload command. Once it's loaded, follow these steps. Select the first block, the leftmost block in the row. Select the last block, the rightmost block, select all the blocks in between. When prompted, enter the distance to eliminate. Type 5 and press Enter. The Lisp calculates the required offsets and moves each block so the 5-unit margin is nullified automatically. If this Lisp saves you time, download it from the link in the description below. Need a custom Lisp tailored to your workflow? Email your requirements to cadsuperuser@gmail.com and I'll help you out. See you in the next video. Thank you.